Today I am reviewing Sceptre 34-inch curved ultra-wide monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a monitor that balances immersive gaming, productivity, and entertainment, the Sceptre 34-inch curved ultra-wide monitor model C345W-2560UN is an impressive choice, especially for those who want more screen real estate without paying a premium price. Let's start with the design and build quality. This monitor features a massive 34-inch ultra-wide curved display with a 21:9 aspect ratio. The curve itself is rated at 1500R, which means it closely matches the natural field of view of the human eye. This gives you a more natural and immersive experience whether you're gaming, working on creative projects, or simply enjoying a movie. The slim, frameless design adds a premium touch and makes it a great fit for modern setups, whether on a desk or wall-mounted. Now, let's talk about the visual performance. The monitor runs at a resolution of 2560 by 1080 pixels, delivering sharp visuals across the ultra-wide panel. It uses an LED backlit VA panel, which provides deep blacks, bright highlights, and an impressive contrast ratio. With a brightness of 320 nits, the screen is vibrant and clear, even in well-lit rooms. Combine that with wide 178-degree viewing angles, and you've got a display that looks consistent from almost any angle. For gamers, refresh rate and response time are crucial. This monitor supports up to 100 Hz on DisplayPort and up to 85 Hz on HDMI, making gameplay noticeably smoother than a standard 60 Hz monitor. It also has a 5-millisecond response time, which reduces blurring and ghosting during fast-paced action. On top of that, adaptive sync technology ensures the monitor works in harmony with your graphics card, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. For gamers who play shooters or strategy games, Sceptre also includes custom FPS and RTS modes, optimizing display settings for different genres. One of the big strengths of this monitor is its ultra-wide 21:9 format. This aspect ratio gives you more horizontal screen space, which is perfect for multitasking. Imagine having two windows side by side without needing a second monitor. For productivity, it's a huge advantage. For gaming, the wider field of view can let you see more of the action compared to standard 16:9 monitors, giving you a competitive edge. And for watching movies, the ultra-wide format delivers a cinematic experience, filling the screen with less of those black bars you see on traditional monitors. The monitor also includes blue light shift technology, which reduces harmful blue light emissions. This makes it easier on your eyes, especially if you're someone who spends long hours in front of the screen working, gaming, or streaming movies. The anti-flicker feature further improves viewing comfort by preventing the backlight from flickering, which can cause fatigue during extended sessions. Connectivity is another area where this monitor shines. It includes 3 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort, giving you flexibility to connect multiple devices at once. You can have a gaming PC, a console, and maybe even a laptop all hooked up without constantly swapping cables. There's also an audio out jack for connecting external speakers or headphones. The monitor is also adjustable. It tilts backward by 15 degrees and forward by 5 degrees, allowing you to find a comfortable angle for long sessions. And if you prefer, it's also Visa mount compatible, so you can mount it on the wall or use an arm to free up desk space. To wrap it up, the Sceptre 34-inch curved ultra-wide monitor offers an impressive package at an affordable price. You're getting a massive screen, immersive 1500R curvature, a smooth 100 Hz refresh rate, adaptive sync, ultra-wide productivity benefits, and eye care features, all in a sleek frameless design. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who wants more space for multitasking, this monitor is a strong contender that balances both performance and value. If you've been thinking about upgrading to an ultra-wide monitor, the Sceptre C345W-2560UN is definitely worth considering. It's versatile, it looks great, and it delivers the kind of immersive experience that can transform how you work and play.